Hello, Eric. The top shaft just got here, and I am going to hopefully put this together over the next 12 hours. Before I do that, I just want to quickly go through how this was broken in the first place and what I'm going to do to prevent this from ever happening again. So this is the core of the lightsaber. You see there's two thread on this, one right here and one right here. The top thread is what keeps the top shaft and the core together. Like it go in there, you turn, and it's locked in place. Now this bottom thread is what connects the lower shaft to it. So normally when you put this together, like how the saber goes, when you're trying to do a crystal review and you spin this, you're supposed to spin the lower shaft in regards to the core around this thread and then pull it out. Now apparently what happened is when you were turning the lower shaft, the core was turning with the shaft, spinning the whole thing, turning on this top thread, and eventually pull the whole thing apart. Now, these Graflex 2.0s came like this. There is no locking mechanism to prevent the core from turning with the bottom shaft. I suppose they just assumed that the top thread should be tougher to turn than the lower thread. So what I'm gonna do is after putting this together, I'm gonna add some heavy-duty thread locker to the top shaft, so the top thread, so that whenever you are spinning like this one around, the core never turns with it ever again. That being said, when you got this back and when you're using it, make sure that whenever you twist the lower part back on, never over tighten it too much, so much so that when you turn again it spins with you, and always relieve the lever and release the tension on the thread before you rotate this. With that being said, I am going to get to work and get this all patched up.